Good evening. The investigation into a dramatic shooting in downtown Columbia this past June is back to square one tonight. Investigators dropped charges against Eric Cravens today after prosecutors determined they didn't have enough evidence against him. KRCG 13's Garrett Bergquist explains what set him free and where the investigation goes from here.
It's a sound few are likely to forget. Suffered gunshot wounds that night, though fortunately no one was killed. Police arrested and charged Eric Cravens later that month, but on Friday, prosecutors dropped those charges when the evidence suggested he was miles away.
And we began an investigation and immediately acted to preserve surveillance footage from the Taco Bell and the break time that corroborated our alibi witnesses and put him 5 miles away from where the shots were fired at the time the shots were fired.
We did not have the evidence sufficient to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. And ethically, as a prosecutor, if the evidence isn't sufficient to do that, we can't go forward.
Police are now back where they started, still looking for the perpetrator. Gonzalez says lack of cooperation is hampering the investigation.
There's a number of individuals who we believe, have knowledge as to this shooting that have refused to cooperate. They're not talking to the police. They weren't talking to investigators.
In Columbia, Garrett Bergquist, KRCG 13 News.
Gonzalez would not give any details about the status of the investigation. She said doing so could hinder it.